The future mayor, vice mayor, and all their councilors are here with us. Okay ba? I remember many years back, before he became the mayor of the city of Manila, he came over here. First stop niya, Chinese-Filipino Business Club Inc. Remember? Yeah, okay. That time, I admired him. Sabi ko, you are modernizing the city of Manila. Kasi yung one-track lane, he was the one who proposed it. Sabi ko, it was helping our traffic flow in Manila for a long time. Kaya, yung mga young mayors na ganyan with their creativity, that's what we need. So here now, I have a chance to meet the future mayor of Manila. Selfie na tayo dyan. Okay ba? We look at our crystal ball. Mayor Isko, Vice Mayor, si Atienza, Congresswoman. Kilala siya. Nieto. Apple, kapatid ni Vice Mayor Yul. Okay ba? And then all the very young and energetic councilors. Okay ba tayo? Okay. I'm sure you're excited to hear from Yorme Isko. Okay? Let's give him a hand, everyone.
Thank you. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat na nandito. Again, on behalf of our team, Yorme's Choice, kasama ko nandito ang ating Vice Mayor Chi Atienza at ang ating kandidatong Congresswoman na malakas sa taong bayan, Apple Nieto. Ang din yung mga kusyan natin, si Chris Tagle, si Ronnie Gay, Bong Alvarez, Tol Sarlan. Hi. Nora, dalawa ba yung labi mo? Okay, hindi ba yata natin man yung kukunin mo ka? Matamis yun. Ang ating kandidato po si Almo Kauso. Anyway, alam ko, maghapon na kayo nag-meeting. You had a meeting a while ago. So you wanted to take your dinner. But briefly, we are very grateful that we have been given a chance by your group to be here today and to dine with you. Now, let me be concise with what's going to happen. Remember when I came here a few years ago, like somewhere today, I said a while ago, I made a commitment. Remember the commitment that I gave to you is that we will create certainty in the city of Manila. Certainty in doing business, that rules are in place, and the sauce for the gander will be the sauce for the goose. Ibig sabihin, pantay-pantay yung rules. So if you do business in Manila, rest assured, and I said that before, na you can strive and flourish without the government disturbing your businesses in the city. As long as you pay your dues, help the city build, and also grow, make sure meron kayong peace of mind in the city of Manila. And remember, when I asked you also, go back to Manila, reinvest in Manila at the time. And in fact, because of you, the GDP growth of Manila went so high despite the pandemic. Today, as per record shows of PSA, you can check it, you can validate what I'm going to say through PSA, government website. Sad to say, from 6.3, we are now 2.2. GDP growth of Manila. And we know the effects of that. Your mathematicians already know the bad effects of it. And we are now, before, I promise you to clean the city, to put orders in our streets, and to make life as much as possible peaceful in Manila. And it did happen. I think records will show that. So what I'm saying is that what I have promised you before, it happened in my own legal way with our team in City Hall. Now we are in the very challenging days, weeks and months of the City of Manila. Dami na naman siga, tugyot na naman ang Maynila. The GDP growth is not growing, in fact, going downwards. And I know most of you are having troubles with the zoning department of the City of Manila. We know that already. Sad to say. Sad to say. Okay, before we go to dinner, this is my commitment to you. With Chichi and I and the entire group, rest assured that we will bring back certainty, cleanliness, orderliness in the City of Manila. I don't mind going back to zero. We did it in the past. We fulfill our promise. We can do it again with your help. And I hope muli ninyong pagkatiwalaan ang lungsod ng Maynila once na nakabalik tayo, may awa ang Diyos. Just do business here. Ang ayaw lang naman natin, monkey business. But the Chinese-Filipino Chamber of Commerce, hindi naman kayo nagmamonkey business. You're just trying to make a living for yourself, for your family. And rest assured that you have a government, local government, who understands you. So here we are today, appealing to you. We need your help. Go back to government in our right places. That power will make sure we utilize that authority, that power for each and everyone to prosper and strive, doing business, living in Manila, in the City of Manila. So with your help, inawa Diyos, makabalik tayo. Together, for our grandchildren, together for our children, we can make Manila great again. Okay? Punta na kayo, Kitang Bunti. Punta na kayo sa Sandangan. Isandaan nyo na yung laway ko. Mangyayari ulit ang pag-angat ng lungsod ng Maynila. At maraming salamat sa pagtitiwala ninyo. Parang repeat lang to. Ito yung first chamber na pinuntahan namin ni Chichi at ng aming team. Ngayon nakaraan, ito rin yung unang-una. So alam na natin ang resulta. Magsurtihan tayo po sa nyo. So muli maraming salamat. I wish you all the best, especially good health to each and every one of you, and success in your field of undertaking. Maraming salamat. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng pong Manila! That's work. Thank you.
Rod, kabilangan Rod. To solidify the collaboration between the Chinese-Filipino Business Club and Yorme Isko Moreno, we offer our official seal of collaboration. Again, a round of applause. To our VIP guests, kindly wait, your food will be served at your table. Thank you.
Action? Ikaw din ano kata?
Insta360. Insta360.
Or
What? Ace Pro.
ako naman yung 360 Expo.
Okay.
Pang ano na eh. Pero sa gabi,
Big screen.
hindi
Madilim.
malinaw.
Mas malinaw. Ito rin po malinaw sa gabi.
Na City Hall.
Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Upper table, pwede pa.
We also have our counselors, Mocha Uzon, Chris Tagle, Paul Zarcal, Dom Alvarez, and Ronin J. De La Cruz. A round of applause, everyone. Thank you. Next table.
Next table daw po.
Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ako out sa ako. 1, Balance lang po.
Sige na.
Okay.